Hey y'all, I'm Vanessa. Today we're doing a review and wear test of the Soap & Glory Kick-Ass All Day Wear Foundation. This is supposed to be 24-hour wear and sweat-proof. It's not supposed to be cakey. All good things. Waterproof. I'm definitely not going to be wearing it for 24 hours. We'll do a regular wear test. But this comes in 12 shades and it's $16. Soap & Glory is an affordable product. So if you guys want to see how this applies, how it wears, and if I like it, let's get into it. Okay guys, so hopefully we are going to continue on this awesome foundation roll that we're on. So this is the Kick-Ass All Day Wear Foundation. I have this in the shade 5 and it does come with a pump. Super good. It's just a kind of a plastic bottle, nothing fancy. So I'm going to put that on the back of our palette. I don't have any primer on. The only thing, okay, this is a thicker foundation. You see it's not moving there. The only thing that I have on my skin is my regular skincare. And just an FYI, if you hear some snoring or heavy breathing, I have a dog that is right here. So he's not feeling too great, so he's right here. So please excuse that. So on half the face, I'm going to do a sponge and half the face with a brush. I don't really know how I'm going to like this foundation more, so that is what we are doing. Alright, so I'm just going to dot this around and do one side at a time. It's definitely thick, but once you start to kind of rub it, it feels pretty good. Like, it does not feel bad on this skin. I'm sure we're gonna get better coverage with a brush, but we're gonna try both. I might end up liking a brush first and then a sponge over it. You never know. You never know. It's kind of hard to do half the nose though, so I'm trying my best. More than likely I will just take it over all the nose. Okay. With a sponge, it's definitely light coverage. You can still see every bit of my redness. This is supposed to be medium coverage. It's not supposed to be full coverage, but I would definitely like to get the medium coverage out of it. So I'm just going to kind of smear this around the skin, and then I'm using the Real Techniques 200 brush, and we're just gonna stipple this into the skin, just kind of push because I want the coverage. Oh yeah, way better coverage with the brush, like significantly better. This is the first foundation in a long time that the coverage has been that much better between our application tools. So here is our brush side. Don't worry, I'm gonna run it down the neck, but way better coverage than this. And I actually think I like the finish better with a brush. So I'm going to even our sides out really quickly, and hopefully we're looking good. Oh yeah, definitely like it better with a brush. Even the finish I like better with a brush. I'm gonna add just a little bit more to the brush side because I haven't built it up. So I'm just adding a wee bit more over here. It's been so long since I used a brush for my foundation. It's crazy. I'll probably be on a brush kick now. Not even gonna lie. Okay guys, so here we are. It's built up just a little bit. I love the finish. Like, it looks beautiful. It's not accentuating pores or texture. It's not getting into my smile lines a whole lot. I'm sorry, my hair's bothering me so bad. I've got to grab a hair tie. But I really like it. Like, I'm surprised how much I like it. So I'm going to go off camera, finish up my face, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so this is what we are looking like with the face all done. It looks really, really good. It did set down to matte, but it's not like super, super drying matte, which I prefer. It's been a couple hours now. I did another tutorial and a review with the Suns Blazing from Flower Beauty. And I'm gonna wait a few more hours and then we're gonna come back and see how this is looking. I'll see you guys in a few. Okay guys, we are at the 8-hour mark. This is how we are looking. Clearly my lipstick left hours ago. It's a little bit patchy right here. That could just be my skin. It kind of does that a lot. Like, I have some patchiness right there in my natural skin, but I think it looks really, really good. Like, it wore down on my nose a little bit, which is completely normal for me, but I normally don't have a problem with the wear of foundations. So, especially with this one claiming to be so long wearing, I figured it was gonna do fine, and it totally has. It looks really, really great. I mean, for 8 hours, we're looking really good. Like, I could definitely easily go out right now and no one would think that I had this makeup on for 8 hours. So, I recommend this if you can find your shade. This is a drugstore brand. It's inexpensive. It's $16. And with all the claims, I think if I want something really long wearing, especially in the spring and summer when it warms up, if it is sweat proof and waterproof, I think I'm really going to enjoy this foundation. And I got this at Ulta online. So if you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And I'm going to keep trying this out. If anything weird happens, you know I'll update you guys. But yeah, it's so late. I'm totally just losing my voice here. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this review and wear test. If you did, please subscribe. And I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.